Rioma area. Yet again another crime that left people in shock, this time round about the most foul murder. Many people arrived at the scene, perhaps in disbelief, to witness unprecedented action where a man killed and buried his wife. George Morara has been known for a while due to his atrocities in the region, killed his wife on Wednesday last week and hurled her body in a 25-feet latrine. Jesca Moraa, who must have died in great pain, was heard on Wednesday screaming at around 11 p.m. Screams that lasted for long hours. On Tuesday evening, the man was arrested together with his second wife, who he married recently after he flew off the handle with the first wife, Jesca Moraa. On Wednesday, exactly 7 days after the act, the police officers arrived at the scene to exhume the body of the woman who went missing since Wednesday last week. The police officers, in collaboration with the community around, retrieved the body, a process that lasted for around 6 hours. Angry residents started shouting when it became clear that the body was in the 25-feet latrine, which took time for the area chief, Tom Ochwangi, to calm the situation. The body of Jesca Moraa was retrieved finally, which had a lot of bruises, a clear indication of the hard time she went through in the hands of the killer. This left men unanswered questions on how the man killed her wife and how he managed the action privy to the children. However, if only the doors and walls of the house would speak, the mystery on how the woman died would perhaps be revealed. After the body was retrieved, tears rolled down the eyes of many residents, condemning the act and saying a curse to the killer. Jesca Moraa's innocent children stared at people innocently, perhaps wondering what people were doing at their homestead as bereaved mourned angrily. Edwin Mokaya, AGR, Kisii.